Now, the Congress's big political surprise has triggered a massive showdown. After Rahul Gandhi made the announcement that he would give up the Wayanad Lok Sabha seat, he declared that his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra would be contesting the by-polls from Wayanad. Rahul said he's had an emotional connection with the people of Wayanad and that even though his sister will be fighting from the constituency, he would continue to frequently visit Wayanad. This decision has drew sharp criticism from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Former Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar said the Congress has imposed the Gandhis on Wayanad. He also slammed the party for dynastic politics. The Congress has hit back, saying that BJP is not a party that should speak on corporate dynasts and also on the beneficiaries that the BJP receives because of that.
Sir, an important announcement from the Congress has come. Rahul Gandhi has decided to retain Raebareli and give up the Wayanad seat in Kerala. What's your first reaction?
No, it's a betrayal of the people of Wayanad. And perhaps Congress feels that the people of Kerala can be taken for granted. It's in fact an insult to the entire Kerala community. Rahul Gandhi, when he decided that he should contest 2 seats, he should have announced in advance that this is my first priority and this is my second priority. People would have taken such a decision. Now, they have decided within 2 weeks of the results getting announced that Wayanad is of least priority for Congress party. I don't know what is the rationale behind that. And the most surprising thing is that the seat is being given to a family member. It shows that Congress is a private proprietor firm of the Nehru family.
वायनाड सीट छोड़ने का फैसला राहुल गांधी ने किया है और एक अजब तमाशा, राहुल गांधी ने सीट छोड़ा किसके लिए? प्रियंका वाड्रा गांधी के लिए। क्या केरल में उनके पास कोई कार्यकर्ता नहीं था? हाँ, अब तो लोग कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस का मतलब एक बेटा एक माई, एक बेटी एक घर जमाई, यही है कुल कांग्रेस आई।
राहुल गांधी जी ने तय किया है कि वो रायबरेली के सांसद बने रहेंगे और वायनाड सीट को त्याग देंगे। इससे 2 चीजें स्पष्ट होती है। पहली बात कि परिवारवाद की गाड़ी रायबरेली से अब वायनाड तक वो ले जाना चाहते हैं, और दूसरी बात उससे ज्यादा गंभीर है, उन्होंने कभी भी वायनाड के लोगों को यह नहीं बताया कि वो रायबरेली से भी चुनाव लड़ेंगे, और अब उस सीट को त्याग रहे हैं तो वहां की जनता जिन्होंने उन्हें बहुत उम्मीद के साथ दूसरी बार चुना है, उनके मन में क्या बीत रही होगी?
अगर इमोशनल कनेक्शन था तो वायनाड में रहते ना। जिस वायनाड ने आपको बचाया, जब आप मिट्टी से हार गए तब वायनाड ने आपको जिताया, तो आप वहां रहते और रायबरेली आप प्रियंका वाड्रा को दे देते, अगर ऐसे ही मन में आपके लिए अपनी बहन के प्रति प्यार था तो।
देखिए, प्रियंका गांधी कांग्रेस के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा लोकप्रिय चेहरा है। उन्हें तो कांग्रेस का अध्यक्ष बनाना चाहिए था, उन्हें कांग्रेस की कमान सौंपनी चाहिए। प्रियंका गांधी जी को वायनाड से लड़वा करके एक बात प्रूव कर दी है, सिद्ध कर दी है कि कांग्रेस को हिंदुओं पर भरोसा नहीं है। अगर हिंदुओं पे भरोसा होता तो उन्हें कहीं और से चुनाव लड़वाया जाता।
राहुल गांधी और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया है कि वायनाड का कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, वायनाड को वो छोड़े और रायबरेली को अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के तरफ वो रखे। ये उन्होंने उस पार्टी ने तय किया, उन्होंने अपना डिसीजंस अनाउंस किया है, तो ये उनका राइट है कौन सी रखना है, कौन सा नहीं रखना है, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी रखना है, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी का डिसीजन है।
The decision that Priyanka ji will contest from Wayanad is a very happy news. Angal as well, the party has wholeheartedly welcomed it. In fact, even earlier we had requested for this. Angal has, after our party meeting, publicly announced that when press people asked that if it is Priyanka, we would be very happy. So there is no doubt that Priyanka ji will win with a big majority from Wayanad.
राहुल गांधी के प्रति कृतज्ञता अर्पित करता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं कि उन्होंने बिल्कुल सही निर्णय लिया कि रायबरेली की सीट से वो बने रहेंगे और वायनाड की सीट से प्रियंका गांधी जी चुनाव लड़ेंगी। इस तरह दोनों सीट पर गांधी परिवार का प्रतिनिधित्व बना रहा है और जैसी इच्छा थी सोनिया जी की कि मैं आपको बेटा सौंप रही हूं, आप इसे निर्वाचित करें, वो उन्होंने उनके वचन भी निभाए।
My colleague Shibi Mol is now joining me on the story. Shibi Mol, the question that everyone is now asking is that Wayanad seat has been given to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, but BJP, it seems like, is not letting the issue die down.
Well, exactly. In fact, this was expected considering that last week Rahul Gandhi, when he visited Wayanad, he said that, he's in a dilemma as to which constituency to keep, whether Raebareli or Wayanad. But he mentioned something in the end that, whatever decision I make, it will be something that will make both the people of both the constituencies happy, hinting that it could be Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who will be contesting from Wayanad. In fact, that was a request by the UDF members of Kerala also, and also the people there also. When we had visited, there were a lot of locals who gathered and told Rahul Gandhi that if you are not retaining Wayanad and retaining Raebareli, then at least make Priyanka Gandhi contest from here, because of course, if she had also not contested, there would have been a lot of pressure on the Congress party, especially in Kerala, considering that the perception that the BJP and the left have created that, once Rahul Gandhi wins a seat from a constituency in the north in Hindi heartland, then he would give up Wayanad. Wayanad is only a backup option, even though last in 2019 when he lost in Amethi, it was just Wayanad which ensured that he was inside the parliament. So that perception was there. Plus, Kerala is going into the assembly elections in another 18 months. In 2026, Kerala is going to assembly elections. So the same thing would have gone for a long time. But yes, again, the BJP but still sticks on to the argument that, whatever it is, even if Priyanka Gandhi is contesting, Rahul Gandhi did not inform the people of Wayanad that he will be not retaining Wayanad if he wins, and also to remember that the Raebareli was announced after the Kerala elections got over. That the second phase is also something that they have been bringing up.
Thank you, Shibi Mol, for giving us all those details. At the moment, it is very clear Rahul Gandhi also said to retain Raebareli, while his sister will be fighting from Wayanad. Now, Congress has taken a decision on Wayanad, but their decision on the leader of the opposition position is still awaited. Listen in to what the Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal had to say on this topic.
So you're saying Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to have impact in Parliament, Rahul Gandhi to take a bigger role, especially in Hindi heartland. Will he be the leader of the opposition? Has that been settled today? You had a long 2.5-hour meeting. Has he finally agreed to be lead?
Rajdipji,
yes.
Parliament is going to commence only on 24th onwards.
Yes.
We have a time to decide all these things. They didn't even decide the pro-time speaker, government side. They didn't even decide the speaker candidate. Parliament is starting 24th. You are asking, where is your LOP? Certainly, before 24th, our LOP will come.
Now, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who won from both Raebareli and Wayanad, has decided that he will be retaining the Raebareli Lok Sabha seat in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and he will vacate the Wayanad seat in the state of Kerala. Now, Wayanad is from where his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will now be contesting the by-elections. Priyanka Gandhi is all set to kickstart her poll debut in active politics. With Wayanad being a Congress stronghold, many believe for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra this will be a sail-through.
जब तक आप प्रत्याशी नहीं बनेंगी,
मैंने बहुत कुछ
आपको सीरियस पॉलिटिशियन नहीं माना।
कोई बात नहीं, जनता माने न माने, जब समय आएगा मैं करूंगी। जनता के साथ मेरा एक रिश्ता है, बना रहेगा।
The time has finally come. No longer a star campaigner, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be entering the poll battlefield. She will be contesting from Wayanad, the Kerala seat vacated by her brother Rahul.
बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. I'm very happy to be able to represent Wayanad, and all I'll say is that I won't let them feel his absence. As he said, he'll come many times with me. But I will work as hard and I will try my best to make everybody happy and to be a good representative.
This decision marks Priyanka's entry into active electoral politics, a development that many have speculated and hoped for over the years. The announcement came after Congress's top leadership held discussions at Kharge's residence.
बड़े सोच समझ के हमने तय किया कि वायनाड से खाली सीट पे प्रियंका जी लड़ना चाहिए.
Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, has chosen to retain Raebareli, a seat that has been the Gandhi family's stronghold for decades, previously held by his mother, Sonia Gandhi.
भैया की मैं मदद रायबरेली में भी करूंगी और जैसे इन्होंने कहा हम दोनों रायबरेली में भी हम दोनों मौजूद होंगे और वायनाड में भी.
दोनों को 2 सांसद मिल रहे हैं. सिंपल सी बात है.
Priyanka's decision to contest from Wayanad signals a strategic shift for the Congress party. Her brother though admitted that he had to be pushed into giving up his Kerala constituency.
आज के दिन का ये निर्णय है. अगर ये मानने के बाद ही आगे का आएगा वो भी मैं बता दूंगा.
बट धमकी तो दी है. कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट ने धमकी तो दी है.
Gandhi siblings' new electoral strategy is being closely watched as it could reshape the Congress's fortunes in the future. Bureau Report, India Today.